If you have been seeing the startup repair couldn't repair your PC error message and want to know how to fix it, you are in the right place. Stick around as we guide you through a step-by-step process to get your system back up and running. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Restart and check all the cables. First things first, power down your system completely. Double check all cables and connections to ensure everything is secure. Sometimes a loose connection can lead to unexpected issues. Make sure that your boot drive is correctly connected to the slot and no other cable is loose. Method 2. Troubleshoot from advanced options. If you see the same error message, even after restarting your computer, follow these steps. Click on Advanced Options from the error screen. Select Troubleshoot. Again click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup Repair. This option will repair all the startup files and fix your issue. Let the scan complete and check if the issue persists. Method 3. Check for disk errors. If Startup Repair still shows the error message, you need to check the storage disk for errors. Again go to Advanced Options. This time select Command Prompt. Enter the following command and press Enter. Check disk /F/R C:. This command will scan and repair any disk errors on your main drive in 5 stages. Next, type the following command and press Enter. sfc/scan now. This command will scan and repair corrupt Windows files. Next, type the following commands one by one and press Enter. bootrec/fix mbr, bootrec/fix boot, exit. You will now be back to the advanced startup screen. Exit and continue to Windows 11. You should be able to boot into your computer. Method 4. Refresh or reset your PC. If all else fails, you might consider refreshing or resetting your PC. Access the advanced startup options as before and choose Troubleshoot. From there, you can opt for reset this PC to reinstall Windows while keeping your personal files, or refresh your PC to reinstall Windows and remove personal files. Remember to back up important data before taking this step. And there you have it. We hope one of these methods worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.